Let's learn how you can delete your Google account permanently. So let's start by opening our Gmail application because this is the easiest way you can do this. Now you need to click on your profile picture in top right corner and then click on manage your account. Now you want to click on data and privacy and scroll down. Now here you will see delete your Google account option. So at the end of the page, as you can see here, click on delete your Google account. It will send you to where you need to click on your password. When you do that, click on next. Here you need to scroll down and you can download your data if you want, but it's not necessary. And here you need to check these two options and then click on delete your account. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.